Okay, so we have all of our chips done, and now I'm taking a half a block of velveeta. Big air bubble in it. And you can do this in the microwave or the double boiler. Does anyone even remember Acapulco hots? Very 70s. It used to come in a can like this, and it was called Acapulco hots. And I think it was made by Ortega. So I'm just gonna slice it twice this way. And lay it this way, slice it twice. And this dip is basically, it's all about the green chilies. It took a long time to get the flavor right on this. And then I just make your cubes, melt it. My mom used to just do it in the fondue pot. I loved the stuff, but it was always for a special occasion. You know how it was back in the day. So there we have all of our cubes. And then you want to get a little can of salsa. I recommend the Ortega small can. And pour that in. And then a whole can of green chilies. And the unique flavor with Acapulco hots is all about the green chilies. And then just let it melt, stir it every now and then from the bottom to the top. So we will just let this do its thing. And when it's all ready, we'll come back and have a taste. I'm so excited. I love this stuff. So I'll see you as this starts to melt up. So it starts melting pretty, quickly. And just stir it around. It's like chocolate when you're melting chocolate. And I think the flavor of this is so much better than with the Rotel, but that's just my opinion. And it doesn't get, when it cools off, it doesn't solidify as much as the Rotel version. So yeah, just keep stirring it up till all that cheese is melted, and then it'll be ready. So good, you guys. It's so good. It makes really good nachos, or just the dip like you would do the Rotel. So I'm just gonna let this finish melting, and then we'll come back and take a taste. I can't wait because it's so good. Don't make it very often. Alrighty, it's all done. Gonna have some. Bagged up my chips. I made all my chips. This stuff is so good, you guys. So good. And it's so hot right now. Here we go. That's the stuff. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think it's way better than Rotel. Way. So much more flavor. It's all about those green chilies. So if you remember Acapulco Hots and you've been missing it, give this a try. If you've never had Acapulco Hots, maybe give it a try. It's good stuff. A nice snack. And with all these storms, it's a little taste of home and some comfort food, and make you some nachos or just dip it or make it for your next ball game or whatever you want. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Hope you all are doing well. And again, I apologize for the lack of videos, but I've just been battling water. It's coming in my garage. It's flooding in the backyard. We've lost a lot of our yard. And then there's been a lot of debris to clean up, a lot of glass. I don't want my dogs to get cut, so I've been finding a lot of glass outside. So hang in there with me. I'll have some canning and dehydrating videos soon. Can't dehydrate in this weather. It's just too humid. So I'll get back on track soon. Hope you all are doing well, and I will see you guys in my next video.